severe thunderstorm warning for central Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, eastern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located.
Isn't Lincoln
along
part
the
of
line extending from near
WXO48?
Davenport to 3 miles southwest of Chandler to near
Oh
Wellston,
no, that's low.
moving east at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chandler, Stroud, Luther, Davenport, Wellston, Sparks, Warwick, and Kendrick. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
WXK85. Okay, that was weird.